Hello everybody. I would like to introduce you to Salabim, an open source Python library for discrete event simulation, written by Ruud van der Ham. If you are like me, an engineer looking for a tool to be able to model things that are happening at the same time, and you don't want to use spreadsheets because it's too complicated, then this might be the solution for you. So there's two main reasons why I've started this channel. First of all, I think Salabim is amazing. I just want to spread the word. I want to grow the community. I think Salabim really deserves that. It should be the best package out there. But secondly, as a beginner, I found it very difficult to learn. Except the documentation, there's not much out there. There's no YouTube channels for people breaking things down. It's a relatively unknown package. And I just want to change that. That's basically it. Okay, let's start talking about discrete event simulation, where the system state only changes at discrete instances of time, and in between we assume nothing happens. And in Salabim, to model this, we use the process interaction paradigm or the process-centric perspective. And it is like we have these passive entities that are going through a system of logic. It's also called the process-centric perspective. You could imagine this as a pinball machine where you are in complete control of the pinballs and the logic that the pinballs have to follow. We can activate one, passivate it, or we can interrupt it, and we can resume it. And these are actually the statements within Salabim that we can use to act upon our entities. And actually, in Salabim, these are called components. So these components, they have methods. The methods are activate, passivate, interrupt, resume. And that's moving the components through the logic of the process. It's actually a very intuitive way of modeling. And when a lot of things are happening at the same time, and we have to think in parallel, it's quite nice to be able to have methods like this, that you will actually activate, passivate, or interrupt a component that goes through a certain process. It's just how the real world works.